Did you know that over $1.2 trillion in cryptocurrency trades rely on digital ledgers every year? Can you make money in a system most people barely understand? It's absolutely possible. With all the hype around crypto, many people are still in the dark about how it actually works. What is a blockchain? How do digital ledgers track value? Is it safe? The internet is full of conflicting advice, technical jargon, and scammy shortcuts that only make things more confusing. For beginners, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, or worse, get misled. We're breaking it all down for you right here on this channel, everything you need to know to get started. A decentralized digital ledger is a fancy way of saying a shared digital notebook that keeps track of who owns what, without a single person or bank in control. This technology is best known as the blockchain, a chain of digital blocks that store transaction records. Every time cryptocurrency changes hands, the transaction is verified by thousands of computers around the world and added to the chain permanently. What makes it powerful? It's public, it's secure, and it's nearly impossible to fake or erase. Unlike traditional banking, no central authority can alter your transaction. That's why digital ledgers are the backbone of cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands more. Here's the real game changer. Digital ledgers make peer-to-peer global money transfer possible in minutes without banks, wire fees, or country borders. They're transparent, meaning anyone can verify transactions. They're immutable, meaning once a transaction is recorded, it can't be changed. And for investors and entrepreneurs, this ledger unlocks new ways to build wealth, from trading crypto to launching decentralized apps. In a world where data is power, the decentralized ledger is rewriting the rules of money. Today we explored the truth behind the decentralized digital ledger, what it is, why it matters, and how it's shaping the future of money. If you're serious about thriving in this new economy, this is knowledge you can't ignore. Got questions about cryptocurrency or blockchain tech? Drop them in the comments, we're here to break it all down. Like, subscribe, and check out our next video to keep learning how to make money in the digital cash market. See you there.